addition to their extensive selection of breads, Mayer's also makes delicious rolls. In their state-of-the-art baking facility in Easton, Pennsylvania, they produce hot dog rolls, hamburger rolls, and other soft roll varieties. Although many of the superior raw ingredients are the same as those used in bread making, the roll baking process differs in certain stages. In the mixing phase, a mixing operator loads smaller ingredients directly through the top of the mixer as it tilts conveniently forward. The mixer now returns to the upright position so that bulk ingredients may be added. When all ingredients are carefully blended, the lid is automatically removed, the mixing tank tilts forward, and the dough is deposited into a trough. In this modern bakery, the dough is transported directly to the divider using a special pumping mechanism at the base of the trough. The automated bun system then divides the batch into smaller pieces. Next, the rounder shapes the dough balls on specially designed tracks positioned on the conveyor. Large gas pockets are removed as the dough travels through a pressure board device. Once past the pressure board, the dough drops into the baking pans below. Once again, proofing is required to make the dough more pliable, allowing optimum expansion prior to baking. After spending just over 50 minutes in this carefully controlled proofing environment, the now enlarged dough moves toward the oven. Again, this dough expansion is the direct result of yeast fermentation producing CO2 gas. The dough now enters this modern oven through a top opening located 15 feet above the floor. Once inside, a conveyor carries the rolls throughout 4 distinct zones, where special heating coils bake them to Mayer's exacting standards. When the rolls have completed the baking cycle, they exit the oven with a golden crust color. These fresh Mayer's rolls are cooled while traveling to the unique slicing and bagging area. Here, the rolls are divided into 2 separate bagging lines where slicing operators make a final visual inspection. Unlike bread, roll slicing is accomplished with continuously operating circular blades that horizontally slice each roll. Since rolls are packaged in quantity, they must be properly stacked before reaching the bagger. To do this requires a machine that carefully stops and rotates them for correct stacking alignment. Once aligned, the rolls are stacked along the 2-level conveyor. Notice how the rolls on the upper level travel precisely to meet rolls below, before being moved forward to the bagging area. As with bread, bags are opened with a blast of air prior to inserting the rolls inside. The bagged rolls now move to the tagging area, where a pre-printed date and price tag securely seals them inside.